Hi scholars, I'm going to show you how to play Raging Rectangles. This is a game to help us practice arrays, to help us understand more about rows and columns, and it's a really fun way to work with whoever's in your house to learn more about arrays. What you need for this game is your graph paper. The directions are on the top here. 2 or 1 die, so 2 dice or 1 die. Either way, this game will work. And you need 3 colors. You can use crayons, colored pencils. I'm using highlighters because they're not going to bleed through my paper and they'll show different colors. The way this game works is I'm going to roll the die and find the length or the width of my array. So if I have 1 die, I can roll it twice, or if I have 2 dice, I can roll them once to find each side of my array. For example, I got a 5 and a 1. I'm gonna take my finger first and count 5 rows or 5 columns so that I can start my array. I'm gonna go with 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, each unit you count is 1 square on your graph paper. Okay, I counted 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna set that one to the side, it's finished. And now I have 1. Since I made 5 rows, I'm gonna make 1 column. I'm gonna go over 1. So far my work looks like this. I'm gonna turn that into an array. Five rows and 1 column. Notice I labeled my rows and columns to match my dice. I have a chart to record that information on as well. If I only had 1 dice, let's see what that would look like for my second roll. I got 4. I'm gonna switch colors because it's my second array. I'm gonna do 4 columns. I'm just gonna skip some space and start over here. Now I'm gonna pick my dice up again, or my die up again, since I already made my 4 columns, and I'm gonna roll the same die because let's pretend I don't have 2, I'm just using 1. That's okay too. Ooh, I got 6. So I have 4 columns. I'm gonna make 6 rows, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, I'm counting each square as 1 unit. There we go, I'm gonna turn that into an array. I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Again, I'm gonna label it. And I can color it in if I want to, I don't really have to. This is what my next array looks like. Notice I didn't put it right on top of my first array, but I also didn't stick it over here. I wanna have plenty of space. I have a third color because you do need 3 arrays represented. Let's use both dice again and pretend I have 2 at home this time. I got a 1 and a 1. Oh, that's a funny little array, isn't it? 1 column, 1 row, 1, 1. I will color this one in because it's so small. And remember, I'm recording the multiplication sentences for the dimensions on my chart. That means for my second array, to find how many squares are inside, I'm gonna multiply my amount of rows by my amount of columns. That's my length times my width. So on my chart, I'm also gonna do it on my paper because I want to. I'm writing 6 times 4 equals, and I would count those up, but I know my facts and I know that 6 times 4 is 24. So my paper looks like this. Find someone in your house to play Raging Rectangles with and enjoy exploring arrays. Have a great day.